Well, we all are stuck in this pandemic driven economy. But did you wonder how countries all around the world are implementing policies to survive this economic crisis and recession? Let's find out on my channel Serve Condensed. The lockdown, which we witnessed few months ago, has created a huge economic chaos in the country, and it is worst hit since the Great Depression in 1930s. At this point, an economic recession seems unavoidable. But what is an economic recession in the first place? It is a period where a country is witnessing a negative growth for consecutive 2 quarters and people are losing jobs. It all starts when a business and consumers lose confidence in the system. To maintain stability in an economy, cash flow is needed. This can be achieved only when people start spending as they usually did. We are witnessing a pandemic driven economy, and government intervention in financial matters is mandatory. Governments all around the world are looking to restart the damaged economy. All eyes are on the policies and support packages. This calls for the government to take up responsibility to protect the business and people. Governments are announcing financial packages and pumping a significant portion of GDP into the system. Before jumping into different policies undertaken by government, economic stimulus concept needs to be understood. Economic stimulus is a package to boost the economy. In simple words, this package does the role of pushing the car whose battery is drained. This package is supposed to kickstart the economy by creating demand. This can be achieved by lowering interest rates, increasing government spending. With the objective of restoring stabilities, governments announced stimulus and emergency measures to help the most affected people and business. The Indian government announced a 20 lakh crore package almost equal to India's 10% GDP. This made the package substantial in the world after the financial packages announced by United States, which is 13% of its GDP, and Japan announced more than 20%. With a huge amount of stimulus, government will be able to provide aid to state governments, small business and money for the crucial supplies. Direct money transfer has also been observed in few countries which will spend the fixing problem during pandemic. With the stimulus being effectively targeted, then the prices will be under control. Economic stimulus packages work only if they are well designed considering all the loopholes. Recovery is possible only through coordinated action.